So now that you've committed to practicing, here are 7 tips and tricks to get the most out of your time investment. Hi, I'm Melissa Evans. I've been a childbirth educator since 2004, and I love my job, and I'm trying to get this information out to anyone and everyone so that you can have the best birth possible. I know that classes are traditionally pretty hard to fit into schedules, so hopefully here on YouTube you don't have to worry about that. Please know I don't practice medicine, I'm not a care provider, so use common sense and talk things over with professionals that you trust. But for now, as you are investing your time and energy and really mastering your relaxation skills, here are 7 ways to make that time even more profitable, one might say. The first one is using touch. This is my 14-year-old who's being so good as to let me model him. During labor, those contractions can be so intense, it's very, very isolating, and it can feel like you're all alone. So using touch can help you feel connected. So starting in one place and moving down, but before that first hand releases, the second hand makes contact so that there is constant relaxing touch. Also notice that this is a pretty slow touch, and it can be light, just using your fingertips, more effleurage or more pressure. It depends upon what she likes. But this is not relaxing. She's not a dog. Make sure that the touch speed and pressure are what she prefers. No dog. I had one couple in class, his dad was pushing pretty hard and mom was cringing, and she didn't say anything. It kind of worried me, I'm not gonna lie. So partners, be aware, read her body language, how is she actually reacting? And moms, for heaven's sake, speak up. It's okay to say that you want something a little bit different. Number 2 is the sense of hearing. What do you want to hear? In 21 must-haves to pack for your birth bag, we talked about having some playlists. And how to be a truly great birth partner, we talked about having those affirmations so that you know what to say during contractions. Prep that. Make sure that you know the ambient noises that she wants to hear as well. Number 3 is, what does she want to see? Do you have any affirmation posters or a focus point or some beautiful art that'll help you feel relaxed and calm? Bring that. Use that. Use these tools during pregnancy and your relaxation practices then. That way, when you're actually using these tools during labor, they work even better. Number 4 is do. Find the rhythm of birth. Mandala Journey makes these beautiful finger labyrinths. Don't laugh, I got mine when she was doing a sale and she didn't color this. She's an amazing artist and I am not. So the colors that you see are just my creation. Hers are better, okay? But it's a beautiful way to focus and move and do. It's like a fidget spinner for labor, okay? So having something that you can do with that rhythm and that intention during pregnancy, and again, so you can use that in labor with that association, can be really, really helpful. Do not forget the sense of smell. This is what's connected closest to our brain, so using this to our advantage can be pretty stinking powerful. Find an essential oil. Now please be careful, use a quality one, and make sure it is safe during pregnancy and birth. And no, I am not an aromatherapist, so do some research on this. But find something that makes you feel happy and relaxed or calm, or both. That's fine. You want both for labor, just like you want the 2 different playlists as well. Practice with them when you do your relaxation practices during pregnancy. And then you have almost a Pavlovian response. Your brain remembers that smell means relax. So when you are in the throes of labor, you put that smell on and you are automatically relaxed. Use that to your advantage. Number 6 is use your tools. Use massage tools, use heat, use warmth, use pillows, use all the things. Look at your environment. What can you use to help you be more comfortable? Which leads us to the final tip and trick is move, change positions. We've talked about the 13 positions for faster and 13 positions for more comfortable, and the pushing positions. Try that. Do not just practice during pregnancy lying down. Practice in each of those different positions so that you can get accustomed to them. And during labor, you're going to want to change positions every 30 to 60 minutes or more if you want. That's fine. but that's about the same amount of time that you'll be wanting to void your bladder. So it works out pretty well. Partners, this becomes your job to remember. She's got other things on her mind, okay? So in my in-person classes, we would do 2 relaxation practices every session. It was a 6-week series, so a total of 12 of them. And I would warn everyone that the last labor practice we did would actually be a review of all of these practices. There was going to be a quiz at the end of the series. And it was obvious and disheartening when I realized how many people had not done the practice, that was actually their first time, and they felt really silly doing it. And I'm glad that at least they had to do it for the first time with me in class. But, you know, even if I'm not going to give you a quiz. There is no quiz. You still have a final exam. There's still labor. So it really is worth it to put this time in. To help you with these practices, I've put together a relaxation toolkit for pregnancy and labor. So go head out to balancebirthservices.com and see if that can help you, both with the long practices during pregnancy as well as little ones to get you through a contraction so that you aren't stuck not knowing what to say. Let me know how things are going. I hope you're really enjoying these relaxation practices and you're finding this to be great quality time together. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. I will be posting new classes every week, and I don't want you to miss out. Until next time, know your options and own your birth.